both sides of this as a marketer and a manager. What I know is that we don't actually know a lot about each other. So as you think, if you're in home care and you think, well, gosh, Medicare certified home health should know how to refer to us, guess what? We don't. I tell the story all the time as an occupational therapist. Not one time in my clinical life when I was actually treating patients in the home for a Medicare certified home health did I refer to in-home care private duty. Never. It makes me so sad. So recognize that your Medicare certified home health folks probably don't know about you. Now they think they do, but they don't. So where do we start? The first thing I would ask you to do is get with your Medicare certified home health marketing rep. They know the ins and outs of the agency. They also know who is really driving those referrals. Who should you go see? Should it be a case manager, the DON? Maybe it's the field nurses. You won't know until you ask. And marketers also look at you as a reciprocal referral source. That means that that marketer is looking at you thinking, gosh, all those clients that she has on caseload at her in-home care private duty probably could benefit from Medicare certified home health. So they're going to take that meeting. That's your first step to building that bridge to that Medicare certified home health agency. We talk about this all the time because if Medicare certified home health is not one of your top referral sources, then you're missing the boat. You need to make sure that you join us and get some education on how to move forward with your Medicare certified home health agency and get more referrals.